Greetings. Welcome to this podcast. The topic is e-commerce trends, navigating the online shopping boom. Picture this, it's Black Friday. My friend Emma, a marketing analyst, sits at her desk at 3 a.m. with 3 coffee cups, a half-eaten sandwich, and the glow of her laptop screen. She's tracking online sales for her startup. Emma's not alone. Millions of Americans were clicking buy now at the same time, fueling a $9 billion online shopping frenzy. This boom is not just seasonal, it's reshaping global commerce every single day. Why e-commerce is booming? E-commerce isn't just booming, it's exploding like a fireworks display at New Year's. Post-pandemic, shoppers discovered the ease of buying everything from groceries to gadgets online. With global mobile internet penetration surging past 60%, even small towns in the USA and beyond are fueling this trend. Here's a stat for you: over 80% of online shoppers say personalized ads influence their purchases. That brings us to the first: brands thrive by tailoring user experiences. From product recommendations to seamless checkouts, customization is the name of the game. Emma shared a workplace story over coffee. Her team launched a same-day delivery service for perishables. It was risky but brilliant. They analyzed regional data, identified high-demand zones, and optimized their routes using AI. This move alone increased their sales by 35% within 2 months. Lesson: data-driven decisions are non-negotiable in today's e-commerce landscape. Picture this: a small business owner receives an email from a customer struggling to place an order late at night. Instead of waiting till morning, they respond immediately, walking the customer through the process. The result? Not just a completed purchase but a heartfelt thank you email and a repeat customer. The lesson? Responsiveness matters. Whether through live chat, email, or a FAQ section, providing quick solutions builds trust and loyalty. Top FAQs about e-commerce trends. Let's jump into some burning questions everyone's asking about e-commerce trends, navigating the online shopping boom. These FAQs have skyrocketed in global searches. What are the top e-commerce trends in 2025? Trends include AI chatbots for 24/7 support, social commerce where you shop directly on platforms like Instagram, and augmented reality tools that let you try products virtually before buying. How can small businesses compete in the e-commerce boom? Focus on niche products, leverage free SEO tools, and collaborate with influencers for authentic engagement. What role does sustainability play in e-commerce? Eco-friendly packaging and carbon-neutral shipping are must-haves for brands wanting to attract conscious consumers. How does mobile optimization impact online shopping? Mobile-friendly sites now account for 54% of e-commerce revenue globally. What's the future of payment systems in e-commerce? Think digital wallets, cryptocurrency, and buy now pay later, BNPL, options. How can AI boost e-commerce sales? AI analyzes buyer behavior, predicts trends, and personalizes recommendations, increasing conversion rates. What are effective strategies to retain customers? Loyalty programs, consistent email campaigns, and top-notch customer service are vital. Why is cross-border e-commerce growing? Global shipping solutions and multi-currency payment systems are making it easier for businesses to tap international markets. How important is social media for e-commerce? Social commerce is revolutionizing the game. Platforms with integrated shopping tools see 30% higher sales conversion rates. What technologies are shaping e-commerce logistics? Drones, smart warehouses, and predictive analytics are cutting costs and speeding up delivery. During an office brainstorming session fueled by coffee and sandwiches, Emma's team debated whether to launch a subscription box for coffee lovers. They decided to A/B test it using AI insights. Turns out, customers loved the curated boxes, and sales doubled. Key takeaway: testing and flexibility in strategy are crucial. Step-by-step guide to thriving in e-commerce. Let's explore how to succeed in the ever-evolving world of e-commerce. Understand your market. Conduct surveys or analyze trends to identify what your customers want. Group your audience into segments based on preferences and shopping habits. Mobile-first approach. With most online traffic coming from mobile devices, make sure your site is mobile-friendly. Keep navigation simple, use large buttons, and optimize load times. Embrace visual commerce. High-quality images and videos can significantly boost conversions. Showcase products in real-life scenarios for better customer visualization. Simplify the checkout process. A seamless checkout process minimizes cart abandonment. Limit the number of steps to purchase and offer guest checkout options. Incorporate sustainability. Shoppers appreciate eco-conscious businesses. Use recyclable packaging and highlight your environmental initiatives. Let me share another story. A craft seller in a small town started including handwritten thank you notes in each order. Customers loved it so much they began sharing the experience online. This simple, heartfelt gesture brought in new buyers from all over the country. The takeaway: personal touches create memorable experiences that can lead to word-of-mouth growth. Now, let's address some common questions about thriving in e-commerce. How can I attract visitors to my store? Utilize SEO for organic traffic, and promote your store on social platforms. Write blog posts or tutorials related to your products to drive interest. How do I deal with abandoned carts? Send reminder emails and offer incentives like free shipping or a discount. Add urgency with messages like limited stock available. What's the secret to customer loyalty? Consistently deliver quality products and provide excellent support. Offer loyalty rewards or early access to new products. How can I stand out in a crowded market? Highlight your unique selling points, such as handcrafted items, ethical sourcing, or customizable options. Use storytelling to connect emotionally with your audience. Is social media worth it for e-commerce? Absolutely. Post engaging content, run polls, and connect with your audience directly. Share behind-the-scenes stories or customer testimonials to build credibility. A home business decided to use minimal but artistic packaging. Instead of flashy designs, they included a printed note explaining the product's backstory and how it was made. Customers were so impressed they shared their unboxing experiences online, leading to a surge in sales. The lesson? Thoughtful packaging doesn't have to be costly but should leave a lasting impression. Closing tips. To wrap up, here are some golden nuggets. Invest in mobile-first strategies. Make sustainability your USP. Experiment with AI and AR. Focus on seamless user experiences. Test, learn, and adapt quickly. Keep adapting. E-commerce trends evolve quickly. Prioritize the customer experience, it's your best marketing tool. Leverage analytics to refine your strategy. Remember, e-commerce isn't just about selling products, it's about building relationships, telling stories, and delivering value. You've got this. If you found today's insights helpful, don't forget to subscribe and share this podcast with someone who'd love it. See you next time.